what color palettes we going with this season, okay? Because I know everything I need to know.
I would like to get to know if it could be.
Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and get into trying on some glasses. I know you've seen the title. I love me a cute pair of glasses because I'm blind as a bat. Like right now I can't see. So let's go ahead and try them on. I love me a pair of glasses that are affordable, that are stylish, that are cute. And when VOOGLAM reached out, I was like, yes, let me try them. So let's go ahead and try them on. All the links will be below in the description box. So if you see something you like, treat yourself. They have been so kind to give me a 15% off discount code. So let me stop talking and let's get into it. So we've got pair number 1, which are the cutest cat eye navy blue everything. Look how cute these are. I feel like I would call these my everyday glasses, but I feel like I'm a librarian. I feel like a cute librarian that wears the cutest glasses, and these are it. Now, like I said, I'm blind as a bat, so mine may be slightly thick. It's only coming out the frame a little bit, but not too much. I really love this frame. So I have a really round face, and I kind of feel like this balances it up because the glasses are going like up like that. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what we think. Can we pull these off? I don't know. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so these next ones I'm looking at. Look how cute that is. Look how cute they are. They've got like a tortoiseshell, navy blue, brown, black pattern on them. Why do I love these? Oh my goodness, I really love these. I feel like these are such a statement piece. Like if you walk in there with these glasses on, they know you mean business. I feel like I would be a fashion student. No, my friend. I feel like I'd be the CEO of a fashion company walking in with these glasses. Like, what color palettes we going with this season, okay? Because I know everything I need to know. These are everything. Some people really love like different out there glasses, and I feel like this website is for you. So I've never had glasses that are like full color. Usually they have some type of black, dark frame, but these, baby, the blue. Is the blue coming through, or am I just feeling it too much? Because these are cute. And I also feel like they are an everyday pair of glasses. Even though they're colorful, they've got a little bit of pattern on the side. I love these. I feel like these glasses are for someone who works at a PR company and she's handling clients throughout the day. She's walked in, she's got her coffee in her hand, and she's about to handle business. Because these glasses, oh, why do I love them so much? Okay, these are my favorite now. I thought it was the last ones, but these are definitely my favorite. You guys, let me know which ones below are your favorite, because your girl is loving all of them. Okay, so we've got another pair. These are like a gray with brown in them. Let's try them on. Oh, these are cute. These are from my office girls. These are, I don't know. I feel like I could just style a really cute outfit with these. These are adorable. Like, I just feel like they're super, super cute. Okay, maybe these will be my everyday glasses because I can see myself just casually wearing these. The others, I feel like I need somewhere to go. These, I feel like, are just an everyday throw-on casual pair of glasses. Have I said that I love them all? Because I think I love them all. Oh, there's one more. There's one more pair. Oh, these are cute. Okay, guys, so we've got another like white, grayish tortoise shell type pattern. Let's put them on. Okay, so never mind. These are everyday. Are these everyday? I guess glasses are honestly what you make of it. I have a really good friend that switches up his glasses like he switches up his t-shirts. Like, he has cool, stylish glasses. And now I feel like I'm going to be on that level too. I don't have to wear my same pair of boring glasses every day. I can jazz it up. And sometimes I feel like for us girls that wear glasses, we feel like it's hard to make a statement with them, and these glasses give you that opportunity. So if I had to choose, these are going to be my everyday glasses. I already know that. I'm going to, like, look how cute they are. Look at that pattern. So these are going to be my everyday glasses just because I feel the vibes from them. These make me feel like, oh my God, look at the gold detail on the side right there. These are everything. These are everything. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little glasses haul from Vogue Me. You guys, my discount code is Mika, and it'll be on the screen. That'll get you 15% off your order. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.